The first altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today, guys, is going to be EOS. As you can see here, guys, on the daily chart here, we've got a very strong symmetrical triangle chart pattern coming through there. We've obviously got a low coming through from this wick. Candle body close low here is going to be around $3.25. From that point, we've actually seen very nice high lows get created. In terms of level of support, this upward sloping support line is actually acting very strong indeed. As you can see from the massive dump that we did see at the end of October, just gone there. Now, on the top side of that, that's basically created an upward sloping resistance line. You can see on the top side here, guys, we've got a very congruent resistance line, VWAP resistance coming through here. Very strong, I would say. This has actually been holding us back multiple times here. We've tested this over and over again, and still we're yet to break it, right? We're still yet to break it. Looking for a break to the upside here, guys. It's going to be potentially quite a big move. And when I say big move, I mean there's money to be made here from a measure move from this symmetrical triangle. We're basically going to be moving that to the breakout sort of point there. And then we're going to be basically taking a long position from when we clear this zone, right? As you can see, obviously nothing I say is financial advice. As you can see, we do have wicks, guys. There's wicks, and there is key reversal points coming through here. So basically, this zone in here, this is going to be called the trap zone, guys. We're not going to be trading in this zone. It's called the trap zone for a reason. You're getting a long position, you basically get trapped out. We're not about that life. We're about money. So we're going to be looking for a nice long position once we've cleared this trap zone. In terms of percentages for this long, it's going to be really quite progressive, guys. It's going to be looking around 14.92% there. Really quite a big swing position there for EOS there. Obviously, everything else does have to line up there. And also, in terms of take profit points that we are going to be looking for, we're going to probably be entering probably around that sort of area there. And then first take profit is going to be at 4.932. As you can see there, big reversals in terms of wicks there, guys. Once we hit our first take profit, we basically put a stop loss to our entry to minimize those losses there. Second take profit, third take profit, and then probably I would be inclined to put another one just about there, just because the gap's too big, guys. I like to basically, I like to stagger my take profits all the way up, just because it basically plans for any sort of reversal there. If we do get a reversal in the price, then we basically take our stop loss and we move it to our entry point, right? And it basically means it's a successful trade at the end of the day. It's called gridding your take profits. Now, the completion of that measure move is going to be around 14.92%. Really quite progressive. Now, looking down on the 4-hourly chart, as you can see there, guys, we're coming through to the midterm. We do actually have a falling parallel channel, right? We do have a falling parallel channel. You can see the resistance, the support to the lower side here. Very congruent, very strong. Very strong. So if we are going to actually have continuation of this micro downtrend here, we know we've got a pretty good bounce point here. The bounce point is going to be around $4.05 there, so really not too bad in terms of a bounce point. In terms of a level of resistance that we are finding here from the top side, really, oh, that's the trend line. It is really quite strong here, guys. This resistance, as I was just saying a second ago on the longer term time frame, we're really getting held back here, which is quite interesting because the more times you test it, and you don't actually see us break to the downside here, the more chances of us actually breaking to the upside here, guys. And when I say breaking to the upside, I mean there could be a double breakout scenario. And when I say double breakout scenario, I mean a trade, guys, a nice, big, juicy, long position. It's actually going to give us another take profit at the top side of that measure move as well. In terms of what we're looking for here for this long, it's going to be around a 13% gain there. And what we're going to do with these both, just going to put them together because the more information is better information, right? Maz Patel is spamming a bit there, but yeah, so that's basically what we're going to be looking out for there in terms of a nice long position there for EOS, and that's basically going to be your EOS update for the day, guys. A couple of breakout scenarios coming through there, definitely load of take profits, and but yeah, that's why I've chosen it as my altcoin of the day today.